Look at this classic hotel. Look at the pool area. Wow, this place is almost stuck in time. Their elevator, unfortunately, isn't so much stuck in time. Jeez, this thing is tiny. I think that's a monitor indicator, I don't know. Not sure if this is a genuine Schindler mod. Okay, here we go. I was not expecting that epic of a motor. Oh yeah, sure, don't worry. I think this used to be a home elevator. It was completely replaced, as you can see. Look how small it is. Going up? What floor are you going to? 3. Cool. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Now it smells like waffles and eggs in here. Nice. Oh, why are we moving so much? That is annoying right there.